Platinum Cross Welding provides turnkey services for both piping and structural fabrication. We specialize in skidded equipment for the midstream sector.
Day one here, you feel like you're part of the family.
Platinum Cross is known for our quality of service, our safety rating, and our ability to meet or surpass our customers' needs.
Safety is top priority around here. We have regular safety meetings, we have job safety analysis program here.
We have a .75 EMR safety rating and strive every day to maintain it.
I always pushes two things: safety and quality.
Our fabrication shop is 3 miles off I-40, an hour from Tulsa, an hour from Oklahoma City, and 3.5 hours from Dallas, the central part of America.
Going on somewhere around 2,021 days without an accident. Trying to get that number up to 10,000 plus, go from there.
Success to me requires good faith, hard work, and positive thinking.